Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025 Top 10 Winning Tips Round 2 HR, Finance and TQM Decision. This video gives details and tips for Round 2 HR, Finance and TQM Decision. You can check the other previous video of Round 1 to understand more in depth using the industry condition report and career report, and also the other previous video of Round 2 to understand the R&D, the marketing, the production, and this the video for HR, Finance and TQM I show you now. So check the other video for R&D, marketing and production, and this video for the HR, Finance and TQM. So HR we use 3,040 hours, max 5,080 hours, but save cost to get some profit, because in early round the profit is still small, around 2,000 here, so do not spend too much. And also you can set decision for finance here. For finance, so we need to keep about 50 million for cash to avoid stock out and emergency loan. So we borrow the current debt here full about 10,000, borrow the long-term debt here about 21,000 max you can have, and issue the stock here the max you can have here. So we will get about 50 million cash to avoid emergency loan. That's all the decision, and you see that we can have check the income statement. We get very high sales here. Compared with the last round, we have 140 million, and now we have 220 million. And contribution margin about 70 million, and net profit here. We are spending very strong in promotion and sale here. You can see promotion and sale very strong here, and keep a little bit lower profit, which is okay and normal in the 8 rounds long-term strategy, right? We invest in round 1, 2 and 3 and get top sale and top profit from on round 4, 5, 6, 7 to 8, right? Actually, if you do right, you can get top sale and top profit on rounds, right? If you have any question, you can send the email to mpf2022@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.